It's time to craft. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So in this first DIY, I only have two for you tonight. I am taking this burlap that I purchased from Dollar Tree back during the summer months. And then I have this wood piece that I purchased from Michael's. It was on clearance for like, I think $3 or $4 last year. And so what I'm doing is just basically pressing out the wrinkles from the burlap, trimming up the edges where some of those strings were hanging, because again, what we're going to be doing is creating a Noel storage piece. And all you're going to do is, like I said, just clean up the edges. And right now I am dry brushing. Initially I was going to dry brush some of that Snow White paint by Waverly brand on top of it, but then I wanted a real solid color, so I ended up going heavily and actually just painting this piece on both sides. Now I will say I've used up my Snow White paint. I have a little bit left, and if you saw the haul video that I uploaded to the channel earlier, my intentions were to go to the not Dollar Tree, Walmart, and repurchase some, but they are completely out, guys. So I am going to have to go to a different Walmart and pick up some. But anyway, now that that's covered, I am just gluing down the edges with the burlap onto this wood piece. And I think this is going to turn out really cute. This is a good way for you if you have small children or grandchildren. You can exchange the words from Noel to Santa, and then you can put like the little letter from the kids inside of this little piece right here. That way you can say Santa will pick it up, or just play with their little cute little inquisitive minds and give them some excitement during the holidays. And yes, we all know as adults the real reason for the season, but for children it's about the fun and the toys. But you need to make sure that you are telling them and teaching them the real meaning of Christmas. And now I have this ribbon. This ribbon you can find at the Dollar Tree. And I am just going to clean up the edges of this piece by adding the ribbon on top of the cut. So guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Welcome back to all of my returning subscribers. I pray that each and every one of you have had a blessed day. I had an amazing day. I did my final haul videos. So again, I will not be purchasing anything new and bringing it to the channel anymore this year. So take a look at that haul video that I uploaded tonight, because I found some really, really great finds. So as you can see, I'm just trimming around the edges using that ribbon. This ribbon is so pretty. It's very decorative. And I must say that it really made this piece stand out and really, really look good. I did keep this in a neutral pattern or a color scheme. That way, this is an inspirational piece. So guys, if you want to recreate this, you can paint your piece whatever color you want, use whatever you want to do, fabric, just make it your own. This is what came to me, and I absolutely love the outcome. And so now I'm taking some of these wooden letters that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. It was in a pack. And I am, like I said, spelling out the word Noel. And I will say, if you use one of those silicone mats, you can just stick the mat down on the inside of it and then press down to secure your letters more. but this worked out fine. I just held the letter from the board and it worked out fine. And so you see here, I'm just embellishing. I added one of where I removed the other hanging piece, I just replaced it with some of that ribbon just to keep it uniform. And now I am gluing down the back part of the handle because this will be a hanging piece. And if you want to, you can make this as a shelf sitter, but for me, it is going to be a hanging piece. And I'm just making sure that it is secure. And as you can see, I've stuffed it and embellished it with some of those pretty frosted florals with a Christmas card. And then I am going to add a little bow, or not bow, button at the top of where the handle is. And this is going to be really cute. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. And then after I do that, I'm looking at it and it was too much white space at the top. And you'll see me add some of those really pretty decorative sheets that Felicia over at BOK Media Life had gifted to me in my gift box from her. You did see that video. If you haven't, I will link that in the description of this video. It is a part of a 3-part haul video, so I cannot wait for you guys to check out all these videos with all this great stuff. And here I am right here pushing that pretty paper down on the inside of that, and it turned out amazing. And as I stated, you can use this for multiple uses. And now we're going to go right into DIY number 2. I had these little signs that I purchased over the summer from Roses, and they were 25 cents each. And so I am just dry brushing or painting over the lettering after sanding it down using, again, that Snow White paint by Waverly brand. And I will be applying several coats of this paint to this board here because I did very light sanding, and so I didn't remove much of the lettering or anything, but it was smooth enough to paint over. And guys, again, anytime I upload anything to the channel, if it's not appeasing to your color scheme that you will want, just switch it up, paint it whatever color you want. Remember, us crafters, we're just bringing you inspirational pieces for you to go back and recreate on your own. But yeah, I cannot wait for you guys to see this. It's very simple. It's very easy, budget friendly. And, it's uniform to the first DIY. Again, we are just making a Santa hanging piece. Very easy to do. And I mean, hey, I think it turned out cute, and I cannot wait for you to see the outcome of both of these projects in the reveal. So guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. So I'm going to sit quiet for a minute and just allow you to watch me bring this piece together. And now you see me taking some of those frosted florals, and I am going to make a swag to go at the top portion of this sign. and I'll just allow you to watch me finish up this project and just interject when I need to. And now you see me taking that same burlap ribbon, and I am just going to trim out this whole piece using the ribbon. Now you see I ended up removing the florals because I wanted to make sure that the ribbon lined up to the top edge of this piece. Again, guys, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you when I upload anything to the channel. And now you see me just replacing those florals back at the top, or the picks, I should say. And now I'm taking my pine cone, and guys, we can ready to head into the reveal. And here we are, guys. Look at how this turned out. I think this is so cute. And I just cannot wait to actually display it in the home, since I'm not going to the office this year. The rest of the year I will not be decorating my office. But I think this turned out so cute. You guys got to leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And like I said, if you was to replace the word Noel with Santa, this would make a perfect little thing for the children, the little kiddos, to write the letter to Santa and then just leave it there. And then, when Santa comes to bring them their gifts, he can pick up his letter. And then here is the Santa sign. You could have easily swapped it and had, instead of Santa on this sign, you could have had Noel and then put Santa on the other sign. But nevertheless, these turned out so super cute, so super easy. I mean, $1.50 plus for that sign, and maybe $5 at top for the other. I will say less than that. But guys, you got to let me know what you think about this. As always, you see I'm going to display joy somewhere, and I just styled it with some other DIYs that I've uploaded to the channel. So make sure that you are checking out all of this Christmas content. I want to continue to inspire you to, consider decorating for Christmas. I pray that these DIYs are bringing you joy and making you happy, and I hope that you all try to recreate them and all that good stuff. Until the next DIY, guys, bye.